Hi, I'm Rachel Gregg. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tomato soup that's better than Panera in your own kitchen. Do you think tomato soup is boring and bland? Well, put away that Campbell's soup can because I've got a secret ingredient that you just have to know about. Let's go over the ingredients we'll need to make our tomato basil soup. The first thing we're going to need is two 28-ounce cans of tomatoes. And I like the San Marzano tomatoes. We'll need 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 1 shallot. Shallots come in different sizes, so if a recipe calls for a shallot, they mean about a golf ball size. We'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 cups or 32 ounces of chicken stock, salt and pepper, 6 basil leaves plus more to garnish, and Parmigiano Reggiano to go on the top. So let me show you how to put that together. So I'm going to slice my leaves into a chiffonade. So I'm going to stack the leaves on top of each other. And then I'm just going to roll them tightly. And then I'm just going to take my knife and slice through. And that gives me these beautiful strips. And that's called a chiffonade. And I'm going to let that oil get nice and hot. You can tell if your oil is hot by how quickly it moves across the bottom of the pan. Right now my oil is cold, so when I tip the pan, it moves rather slowly. As the oil heats, it's going to move faster. And once the oil's hot, it's just going to swirl through the bottom of the pan fairly quickly. And then when I add my onions, they're going to sizzle. Just going to saute these a little bit until they're soft. I'm not necessarily looking for color, but if it does get a little brown, that's fine. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken stock and my basil. Once that mixture is boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the heat down to low and simmer it for 1 hour. After an hour of simmering, the soup has been reduced. And now I'm ready to take a stick blender and blend it all together. If you don't have a stick blender, you can pour it into a regular blender. Just make sure you vent the top because otherwise the pressure builds up and you can pop the top. Now we'll add the ingredients that really make a difference in this, and that is balsamic vinegar. If you put 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar in here, it just adds a great flavor. It really makes a difference. And 1 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to want to stir that together. Just going to want to check for seasoning. Add some salt, a little bit of freshly ground pepper. I'll turn the heat back up and heat it through. Once the soup is heated through, then we're ready to eat it. And of course we need Parmigiano Reggiano to go on the top. That just makes it perfect. And I always like to garnish with a little bit of basil on the top. These simple ingredients make the perfect tomato soup. It's warm and comforting. It goes perfectly with your grilled cheese or great on its own. Much better than Campbell's and better than Panera too, because you make it at home. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free. It just helps you find my videos easier. Thanks for watching. A little bit of freshly ground pepper, or not. Seriously, stop it.